Hello and welcome to ET Insights exclusive interview series. Today we have with us the Vertiv big shots, Mr. Giordano, Mr. Majumdar, and the CFO, and Mr. David Fallon. Giordano, let me begin by asking you some of the emerging technologies in the data center infrastructure. If you can just touch upon with generative AI being, that is what every industry is getting into. So how do you see it disrupting the industry, and how do you see the future spanning?
Sure. I think I need the microphone. Sure. Okay, so this is very light. Clearly, the generative AI and the entire AI acceleration is changing the industry. And it's changing the industry, of course, for what the industry can offer, but importantly, for the type of infrastructure that the industry requires. I like to use the example of a data center. A data center, inside the data center you have racks, and inside the racks you have servers. Traditionally, and today on average, you have 10 kilowatt per rack, something that is managed today with air cooling technology and with the current established way of bringing power to a server. Enter artificial intelligence, enter the GPU gradually replacing the traditional CPU technology for servers, and all of a sudden we see a path to the very same 10 kilowatt rack going all the way to 100 and above. So density is at a level that is totally unprecedented. The technology evolves. There needs to be more power brought to the rack, and needs to be a lot of more heat extraction. And we see a combination of direct-to-chip liquid cooling, and we have announced a very important acquisition of Coolterra in that space about a month ago, but also in combination with air cooling that extract all the heat that is left outside the GPU. So the industry is changing. This will require both a new way of designing new infrastructure, but also opportunity for retrofit of existing infrastructure.
Thank you, Giordano. You just talked about some of the emerging technologies. Now, Subhashish, the question is for you. Which emerging technology will be used at this new manufacturing facility at Chakan?
So, as I said, in the last couple of years, I think we have brought a lot of firsts into the India data center industry, whether it's starting from DX waterless solutions, or even the large 280 kilowatt DX air handling units. So I think there are a lot of firsts that we have introduced in the last couple of years, and we'll continue to do so. So even in the near future, we have a lot of things to come. So wait for some more.
Thank you. One last question on sustainability. I mean, this is something which every industry is getting into. So is there any strategy that Vertiv has implemented in order to reduce the carbon footprints in its operations?
I can take it and talk to the industry in general. Then Subhashish, you want to talk specifically about what we're doing in the new Chakan facility. Clearly, energy efficiency is big in the agenda of Vertiv across the board, and certainly we're very focused on our efficiency as a company, as a manufacturer, energy efficiency, the attention that we put to the subject across the entire organization is certainly accelerating. But in this moment, I want to talk even more about the efficiency that we enable in our customer, with our customer base. And if you think about the industry that we serve, there's a lot of installed power. It's a lot of megawatts, gigawatts that we serve. Our the efficiency intrinsic in the design of our systems, the efficiency that we can deliver when we concatenate, when we manage the entire thermal chain or power chain, really enables the industry to operate at levels of efficiency that are unprecedented. We were talking about liquid cooling. Liquid cooling is another step in the direction of efficiency improvement. Also because it will be more efficient, it will be, as it is deployed, it will be more efficient in terms of extraction and then heat dissipation, heat extraction and heat dissipation, but also because it will enable higher level of heat reuse. That certainly will be, and this thing is falling on my head now, heat reuse that really will enable another level of efficiency. The level of efficiency in which the energy not only is saved, but it is reused. So as efficient as it can be. Subhashish.
I think that's all. I think as I said in the meeting, I think everything that we do today has sustainability in mind, right? So whether it's designing a product or designing a facility, and if you have the opportunity to come and visit the Chakan plant, you see this is entirely naturally lighted, so that saves a lot of energy. We have trying to eliminate entire wooden packing material. And even the usage of plastic, we have been able to reduce by around 50% in this factory, and our aim is to probably go to zero by a certain time frame. So I think a lot of things going on, and as I said, VOS is an important piece where it's a continuous process where we evaluate how we can save on this or have these measures implemented, and we'll continue to do that. Thank you.
I said last question, but one quick question that just came up to my mind. This is actually for Subhashish. So we've opened, Vertiv rather has opened 3 manufacturing plants, which is in the vicinity of around say 150-200 kilometers, Ambernath, Pune, and now today Chakan is being operational. So is there any specific reason to have a Vertiv hub, if I may say, within a particular vicinity, or do you see going further down the years, maybe more manufacturing units will be spread across the breadth of the country? So is there any reason for that?
So I think if you look at the data center market today, Mumbai is the biggest one, right? And Pune is a very upcoming data center market. We have a large number of builds coming in Pune. We have already built an ecosystem in around Mumbai with our Ambernath plant, and we are replicating that here. Reinventing the system in a different geography might not have made as much sense because we needed something to be executed at speed, and we are there today over here. So this is the market that we expect to grow, and we are very close to the market.
Thank you. So thank you, Giordano, David, and Subhashish for taking the time and speaking to ET Edge Insights. I wish you all the best, and we're looking forward to visiting the new plant at Chakan. Thank you for your time.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you.